Hello beautiful people. Today we'll be talking about you, because you're the most important person in your life. You get up each morning first with yourself, afterwards with your partner, kids and so on. It is very nice to have your private time for yourself in the morning, in the first minutes, when your brain is still on alpha waves, to switch on a nice short meditation and to set up yourself for the coming day, to imagine your day, how you want to be, and to get up with nice feelings, with a nice mood. And in the evening, when the sun is emitting a red light, which is setting up everything, every living thing to go to sleep, you have to switch off the blue-light devices like mobile phones, computers, if you have the chance. If you are not working, you have to, it is good 1 or 2 hours before bed to be spent without any devices. If you are sleeping, your phone, it is good to be in airplane mode to not disturb your sleep, because in the sleep cycle, which is 6 to 7 hours, if this cycle is interrupted, many processes in your body will stop and the restoration will not be completed. And in the evening, it's very cool to switch on some meditation or some peaceful music. It's very good to try to make a revision for your day, but backwards. And in this way, you will train your brain to remember better, to be happy about the things you have done, the people you have helped, and you will go to sleep with nice feelings. And every night the feelings we go to bed with are the feelings which are preparing us for the next day. So if you let's say go to bed in a good mood, it is known to that your good mood will be preserved for the next day, if you don't have some unforeseen consequences or events. But everything can happen. This is the 3D dimensional world, so you have to expect anything from life. And but the setup in the evening and in the morning is a very nice practice to be performed, and rest to be done. Thank you for your time. Bye. Have a nice day.